In this video, I'd like to show you the different methods you can export data from MX Business to your scales. So the first way is using the Export Changes button, which is here. So what this does, it will only send the changes you make in MX Business. So let's say, for example, we want to change the name of pork leg. Just call it whatever. And let's say we change the price, £10.50. So you can see any change to a product will highlight it in blue. That tells us that there's a change that's going to be sent. So any changes on the products will be in blue, and any changes you make at all will get logged in the change flags of MX Business. So when you click this button, send changes, it will just send the changes you've made. It's important to be careful that you don't send old changes. For example, say if you've not used MX Business for a few months, but there's changes, and you make one or two changes, and you click send, it might send the old changes. So I'd recommend to reset the change flags, which will then wipe out all changes before you make new ones. That's the most common way to send data to the scale. The other way is using this option here, called Restore Scale Data. So you choose the scale, click next, and we've got several options. So you can choose to send everything, which is the whole database. If we untick that, you've got a selection. So you can choose, for example, media and label designs only, or keyboard only, or even the configuration of the scale only. What you can also do is choose specific things in these categories. To do that, you want to tick one of them, for example, database. Down here, if you click on that, that will allow us to choose specifically what in the database, in this case, you want to send. So if we click next, as you can see, we've got all the things in the database we can send specifically. So if we click select none, you can choose, for example, only the products, or only the groups, or messages, or operators. And what you do is you click next and then send, and that, in this case, that will only send the operators, messages, products and groups. Or you can do all by clicking select all. And if you want to go back, you can click this option. You can do the same for example keyboard designs, or you can just click everything and just send the whole database. So those are the two different ways to send data to the scale, and I hope this helps. Thank you.